Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So as you can see, we have you here with us in our backyard. Do you see the big mess back there? Yeah, that's not even half of it. But anyway, so we're gonna kind of set up our backyard area and then afterwards, give you a nice walkthrough of our backyard. Kind of show you what we have going on back here with, you know, patio, plants.
Landscaping,
Yeah.
the pool.
Yep. All right, so here we go. First, I want to say that we actually hired a landscape architect to help us out with this whole garden area. This was just like a big blank canvas, except for the patio when we moved in. Then we had the pool put in, and then we were like, okay, what do we do with the landscaping? So we actually hired somebody. We paid him for his thoughts, and then we went ahead.
He did the design, right?
Yep, he did the design. He helped us.
Yeah. Picked out some of the
plants and things like
plants,
that.
Yeah.
So then we DIY'd the rest, which was a feat.
Yeah, and my back still hurts from
It was
lifting
like
stone.
4 years ago. But first, this is a gold biota, and he's gotten really big. He started out really small. You don't get too much. I mean, they'll get a little bigger than this, but it is definitely like a type of evergreen that you can clip and keep small. But I love him. He's super cute. And then we have BLOOPERS here. That kind of fine path, and then
They're just starting to come back. They're still.
yeah, they're still getting there,
Still
but
getting
they're pretty good. They're actually really good plants. They're supposed to be shade plants, but they do really well in our area for full sun as well.
I like the dark purple ones.
Yeah,
This thing gets huge.
yeah, and the hookahs are like they're a type of evergreen. I think it's like a type of evergreen, but so they're very hardy in our area, and they come up every year, so they're perennial.
Yeah, we've done well in our yard.
Yep. And this is an ornamental grass. He gets massively huge.
He gets about 6 feet high
He goes all the way around.
and about 6 feet wide. Yeah,
He kind of
it's huge.
encroaches on these purple hukra that I'm starting to debate whether or not I should move them, because if you look at the size of the purple hukra compared to the coral hukra over there, you can tell that these three little guys are getting encroached on. So you can come over here. So here's a couple more, we got 3 more ornamental grasses. We put in 16 arborvitaes. These arborvitaes were put in about 3 years ago. I think this is the 3rd or 4th season, I can't remember, but they started out just below the fence and they're doing really well. And this is a cherry fountain. Is that what they call it?
Weeping
Weeping cherry
snow
fountain?
fountain
Something
cherry
like that.
tree.
We'll put it up on the screen.
Yeah.
But he's great. He gets like white flowers and stuff on him. So
White flowers in the early spring.
Yep.
And then that's it as far as flowering
Yeah.
goes, and it's
You
just
can
green.
see a couple that are just kind of dwindling away, and then the leaves will get bigger. But
And it gets little berries on them.
yeah, the birds love it.
The
They like
birds
to
love
eat
it.
all the berries. So we have another set of hookahs coming around the back side of the pool here. We have we had extra stone when we were doing the patio, so we just kind of lined the back. Can't see it anymore because we built this big thing for our.
There's Sophie.
This is our big umbrella because it gets super hot back here, so we had to get a 15-foot umbrella because we can't put up. Our initial thought was putting up a pergola, but we can't because we're so close to the neighbor's fence. We have to be 10 feet away from the fence to put up a structure like that, which is interesting because the shed is like 2 feet away from. But anyway, we're not going there.
But it's 15 foot wide, not
It's 15
just,
foot wide, yeah.
It's not a round one.
It's not, yeah. So, come around this way. And it's a night. I like sitting over here. I love sitting over here at night, especially, and having a nice glass of wine and just kind of looking back at the house is really nice. It's a nice view. Very relaxing. Got a couple more hookahs over here. We got the purple ones. And this is a limelight hydrangea tree. I think they call them like a popsicle tree or something like that. Or no, a lollipop tree or something, because they're like very round. I don't know. I think that's what the guy said. But he's awesome. He's the one that, if you look on our page and you see all of the big hydrangea bushes that we clipped off last fall, it's just from this little tree. Like, that's how many hydrangea heads come off of this. It's just massive. And sometimes they get so big that we're afraid it's going to snap the trunk, so we run out here and clip them off.
It's bent him over once or twice.
And then here we have some, these are called Carl Foresters. We just call them Carls. These are the ones that kind of come up first in the spring, but they're doing really well, and they'll get tall, and then they have like the, kind of almost like the,
it's like a stocky,
it's like a stalk thing,
straw kind of look to it, yeah.
So
but these things got huge like last year.
Yeah.
They exploded.
Yep.
I call them the fry guys because they look like those little fry guys from McDonald's in the 80s.
But they're doing really good. They're happy. So far, so good. All of our plants are really happy that we've put in. We haven't, I mean, I think I've lost maybe a couple heucheras, and I have like 25, so it's not bad.
Our big pine trees.
So this was the only landscaping back here when we moved in, were these 3 pine trees, and then underneath we hired a tree company last year to help just really prune these and shape them and kind of bring up the underneath, because they were getting huge. You couldn't even see under.
They were laying on the ground at one point.
So we had them clean it up. So this year, one of our goals, there's some more lemon coral sedum. So one of our goals is to actually plant up and clean that up and make it look really nice. It's kind of like the one part of our garden that we really haven't touched yet. So what we've been doing is like overwintering some of our stuff that we've had in pots. We just kind of throw them under there. That's all we've done. Look at us. This is over in the corner here is a lilac tree. We're probably going to take that out. I'm really allergic to it every time I come out here. I mean, the smell is beautiful. I mean, it smells up the whole backyard, but I'm like allergic to it and I just go crazy. So thinking about taking that out. Then this is a blue spruce. We just put him in 2 years ago, so he's still little. Got another bunch of heucheras over there, some heucheras, another ornamental grass. And then these are called like dwarf arborvitaes or something like that, but they stay just like this. Like, never done anything, popped them in the ground. They always stay round and nice and cute. We have 6 of those lining the front of the pool. And so you come down to our patio. This is where we put our table and our grill. I think we bought this table and all the patio set from even what's out back from Lowe's or Home Depot. I can't remember, but I'll try to link it below if it's still available. And then this year, we finally got new carpets. Usually get new carpets every 4 to 5 years. So that was nice.
Yeah, they get ruined out here pretty quickly.
They do. But I mean, having them for 4 to 5 years is not bad.
No.
You know what I mean? Because I store them and we pressure wash them. We clean them up really good. So here's our fire pit that we kind of keep it around here somewhere. It kind of just moves along the patio until we use it, and then we push it out of the way. Outdoor furniture. Pillows are still drying from being pressure washed. And that's pretty much it. But it's a nice area. It's a nice area to come out and sit in the morning, have your coffee. We have a lot of birds out here. We have a lot of wildlife. So it's nice. We have bunnies, all that stuff. So what we're probably going to do next is we're going to start planting up a lot of our pots that we're going to put out here. So we'll do a video on that, and hopefully we're going to bring in a lot more color back here, and it'll look a little bit more cozy and full.
All right, everybody. So that's it. That's the walk around of our backyard. Very proud of all the work we've done back here. Kind of made it our own little sanctuary. But it's nice to come out here with the pool in the summertime, and it's a very tranquil,
serene.
We'll do another video about midsummer too, to kind of show you how much the plants have grown.
Oh yeah,
and
definitely.
those grasses, to see, because they get massive.
Yeah.
They're huge.
Right.
But a little bit of work, everything came together pretty quickly. Only a couple hours, we got everything up, and we're ready to go for the summer. We're ready to grill, go in the pool,
Can't wait.
have a few drinks, and relax. So thanks again, everybody, for your support. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell as well so you get notifications on when our videos are done.
Yep. So,
That's it.
until next time.
We'll see you next week.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
She's my cherry pie. Sweet cherry pie. It's like the wind is perfect for that.
It's still with the ball.
She's looking for the bunny.
No, she's trying to find a piece of poop.
A piece of poop.
We're like that YouTube you saw this morning. Influencers that are caught in the act.
Oh, right now somebody's recording us.
Yeah, it's probably the neighbor guy over there.
Don't worry, people. We're
Nano
influencers. Go ahead, put us on the site. We don't care. We'll get more likes.
Don't care.
We'll get more views. Maybe we can become micro influencers.
Working our way up the ladder.
That's how it is, man. It's a YouTube corporate ladder. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So, shut up.
You
Throw it.
ruined
We have
it.
like 2 seconds.
You ruined it.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Oh my god.
Almost had it.
Throw it far so she has to run really far because we'll have 2 seconds afterwards. Ready, get here. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So, as you can see, we have
Sun's out. Guns out.
We have you here with us in our backyard. Dude, we gotta start over now.
What the? I was gonna say sun's out, and then it just popped into my head. Okay.
Dude, honestly, do you know how much time this takes? Yeah, that's what you get.
It's a cute view.
Please don't. I said boobs up. All right.